Hey, if you are still looking for products to sell every day, today I recommend you 5 winning products on TikTok. Number 1. Automatic Glass Cleaner. This innovative product is not only easy to install but also powerful to clean. The product has never been on the market before. The market demand is high, and the profit margin is also large. The price of this product is $25. The cost price is $13, and the profit margin is $12. If you are still looking for products to sell, this type of new products will easily bring you income. Number 2. Magnetic Fidget Pen. This product has never appeared in the market before. The product is practical and interesting, and this type of product is easy to market and promote. The product is interesting, has a broad market space, and has a high profit margin. The selling price of this product is $35. The cost price is $13, and the profit margin is $22. If you're still looking for $20 plus products to sell, this will be a great option. Number 3. 3-in-1 Apple Charger. This product solves people's trivial troubles of charging various electronic products, and its innovative design allows it to have a broad market. The product sells for $50, costs $29, and has a profit margin of $21. If you are still looking around for innovative products to sell, it may help you make $1 million. Number 4. Door Bottom Sealing Tape. This product effectively solves the problem of door air leakage in winter. The product has strong practicability, multi-purpose, and high profit margin. The selling price of this product is $16. The cost price is $5, and the profit margin is $11. If you're still looking for products to sell, this high-margin seasonal product is a great option. Number 5. Fleece Booties. This is a seasonal product with a fashionable appearance and a variety of colors. A seasonal must-have with high margins. The product sells for $40, costs $14, and has a profit margin of $26. If you've been selling women-related products, this one might make you an extra $100,000 in December. If you want to know more about the product, follow me or go to pipiads.com.